Welcome everybody to Tech Express. In this video, we'll explore how to create stunning t-shirt design using Canva and then sell them online. So whether you're starting a new clothing line or expanding your commerce store, Canva is a fantastic tool to bring your t-shirt idea to life. Let's dive into the world of the t-shirt design in e-commerce. So setting up your Canva for t-shirt. First, ensure you have a Canva account. If you're new to Canva, I'm going to be leaving you a link down below in the description so we can all get started. Once you are logged in, once you wanted to go here is into the home section. What you wanted to do is to go here into your home section, and here let's start by choosing the t-shirt into creating a design. Here into search, just type t-shirt. So as you can see, we have the t-shirt 1418, typography, logo, professional t-shirt, graduation t-shirt, school t-shirt, and much more. So Canva offers a range of great templates to get you started. Choose the one that best suits for you. Let's say, for example, that you wanted to create a t-shirt for Christmas, so I choose Christmas t-shirt. Now the fun part, designing a t-shirt, utilize Canva's vast library of graphics, images, and fonts. Remember, the designs should resonate with the target audience. You wanted to consider current trends, themes, and color schemes. Be sure to use high-resolution images and check the print quality settings. For example, if I wanted to have a feel of inspiration, everybody does Pinterest. So let's go here into Pinterest. I hit into Pinterest.com. And here what I want to do is to type the type of t-shirt that I wanted to create, which in my case it would be Christmas t-shirt. So here, let's go and create our first account. I'm gonna hit into search, and we have Christmas t-shirt. I type into the enter mark, and here as you can see, we have a lot of designs. So choose the one that resonates with your audience or where you think that you kind of like it. For example, check out my boss is kind of funny. So you wanted to create something like that. Then you can get started by using that kind of design and hit into Canva. Now if you go here into the design templates, you can see there's a lot of templates that you can get started with. For example, here, the never slide never. You can do something like this. To check out my balls, you can do exactly the same thing here into never slide never. So be sure to use high-level resolution stuff. Tips for effective t-shirt design. When designing, simplicity often works best, so avoid overcrowding your design and maintain a good balance of elements. You wanted a contrast color for text, background to make your design pop. Most importantly, be creative and original. Once your design is complete, download it from the recommended format from Painting. So selling your t-shirt design online should be the last thing that you're actually interested in. For example, let's say that I wanted to sell this I am on the nice list this year. I'm going to try to change this for something a little bit different because we don't want to just to copy and paste the template design. So let's go I'm always. Then lastly, I want to recenter all the elements that I think they don't fit. And as you can see, it now looks much more interesting. So then later on, what I can totally suggest to you is to make the design fit the whole section and center it. Lastly, I'm going to hit now into show, download, and it's really important to have a really huge size in order to have a really great resolution. Now, with your design ready, it's time to sell them. You can use e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce to sell your online store. Alternatively, consider print-on-demand services like Printful or Teespring where you can upload your design. And then you can handle the rest. So create compelling product description and use highlight markups on your t-shirt and attract your customers. What I can totally suggest to you, what you can just get started, is to use Printify. Printify is a really print-on-demand, a really great application into print-on-demand that can help you to create custom products. So you just needed to import your customs directly in there. So we have an actual tutorial for creating print-on-demand products and selling them into your socials. If you're interested in that, I'm going to leave you guys a link down below in the description so we can all get started even today. So there you have it, guys. You're now ready to create and sell your own t-shirt design using Canva. Dive in, experience it, experiment with the design, and who knows, your creation might be the next big hit into the period marketing. If you find this guide useful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Tech Express for more insight into design and e-commerce. If you got any questions or tips into the design, you can tell them to the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Hopefully we can all see you next time.